You reading a book? Alice, what kind of book is that? Animals? Is that an animal book? Oh, yeah? You can't turn the pages if you're sitting on it, girl. Oh, Jesus. You're bending the book, girl. You gotta get your foot off the book. Then you can turn the page. There you go. Oh, yeah? Oh, yeah? Oh, yeah? Oh, yeah? What else? Huh? Is that it? Oh. What you looking for, the birds? Or the monkeys? The lions? What you looking for? You see a cow? Is that what the noise the cow makes? Or are you making a number two? Oh? Was that what you're doing? You're too cute. Yeah. Alright, well, you keep reading your book. Daddy loves you.